Hello, my God, big shout out. Welcome to my video. Mega love, mega shout out. Welcome to my channel. This is Pure Stoneheart, and once again, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. So, for those who are not able to subscribe, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated for my next video. And for today's video, guys, once again, my favorite thing to do. It's unboxing. So here we go for the unboxing, guys. I ordered this one. Actually, I thought there is no what do you call this one, availability, but I tried my luck because I saw it online and it's very beautiful, and I love the color, this anything. Anyway, I will show it to you. So once again, I ordered it in my favorite online shop here in UAE, which is the Brands for Less. I believe this is 60% off, and I ordered this one last week, but due to some circumstances it was delayed, and they called me that the delay for the delivery will be today. So it arrives a couple of hours ago. So here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Join with me and air rebuild. So it's not yet mentioned here of what is this, but let's see. Oh, wow, my gosh. Really, guys, see, it arrives the same color. I really love this one. Okay, there you go. So here is a La Martina bag. So still came sealed. Yes. And oh my god. Actually, guys, last month I saw this one online. I added to my cart, and then I forgot to purchase this one, but it was added in my cart. And then when I returned to my cart a couple of weeks ago, it turns out that it was already unavailable. And then last week I go back again to the online, so I saw there's a one piece, so I grabbed already and check out. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and this is very nice. See the texture. This is bag, and the textures of the bag is very cute, very nice. It's kinda, see? The strap is very nice. So here, La Martina. Here's the pack. Here's a storage. Very nice storage. And then another storage. And a storage again. And there's more of storage here. You can put, I guess, tablet. You can put tablet or laptop here, the storage. Oh my God. It's really satisfying, guys. And I'm so happy and I'm so excited to use this one because I just love. See the texture? What I love this one, guys, is the color. And you know what, guys, the brand is very expensive actually. But what had happened is this is on sale. And I went to their shops. 3 shops I visited a couple of weeks ago, but there's no available for this one. Other color, other design has its yes. And there you go. I love this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Pure Stone Heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.